Now let us learn about some masculine words and feminine words. Some set of masculine and feminine, how it comes and pronunciated in Hindi. The masculine and feminine words. Here the first one is ladka, ladki. Okay, here boy, girl. Okay, boy, girl. Then nana, nani. Nana, nani means we have already seen the relations. Okay, nana, grandfather, grandmother. Okay, grandfather, grandmother. Pita, mata. You already know, father, mother. Sas, sasur. Okay, sas, sasur. Here this is father-in-law and this is mother-in-law. Sas, sasur. Putra, putri. Okay, putra, putri means here son, daughter. Then goda, godi. Okay, goda means horse. Okay, male horse and here female horse. Here bail, guy. Okay, bail means bullock. Here guy, cow. Sher, sherni. Okay, sher, sherni. In lion. Hathi, hathi, hathini. Okay, hathi, hathini. Here father elephant and mother elephant. Hathi, hathini. Kavi, kaviyatri. Okay, kavi, kaviyatri. Here means poet, poetess. Okay, poet, poetess. Now let us see the other one. Beta, beti. These also like that. Putra, putri. Then dada, dadi. Okay, dada, dadi. Dada, dadi here grandfather, grandmother. Murga, murgi. Okay, cock, hen. Sriman, Sriman, Srimadi. Okay, while writing the invitation, before the name we are writing that Sriman and the person's name, Srimadi and the person's name. Then Bai, Behan. Okay, Bai, Behan, brother, sister. Chatra, Chatra. Here male, boy student. Here girl students. Pandit, Panditayin. Unt, Untani. Gada, Gadi. Okay. Adhyapak, Adhyapika. Here male teacher and female teacher. Adhyapak, Adhyapika. Then here Bandar, Bandariya. Okay, male monkey, female monkey. Buddha, Budi. Bakra, Bakri. Singh, Singani. Raja, Rani. Bilav, Billy. Mostly we are using the female cat's name only Billy, but the male cat's name is Bilav. Then Yuvak, Yuvati. Chuha, Chuhi. More, Morni. Pati, Patni. Okay, we have to understand the terms. Then only we can use it in the day-to-day life and speak wise. Then once again, ladka, ladki, nana, nani, pita, mata, sas, sasur, putra, putri, goda, godi, bail, guy, sher, sherni, hathi, hathini, kavi, kaviyatri. Okay, the next one is beta, beti, dada, dadi. Okay, then murga, murgi, Sriman, Srimadi, Bai, Behan, Chatra, Chatra, Pandit, Panditayin, Unt, Untani, Gada, Gadi, Adhyapak, Adhyapika. Okay, Bandar, Bandariya, Buddha, Budi, Bakra, Bakri, Singh, Singani, Raja, Rani, Bilav, Billi, Yuvak, Yuvati, Chuha, Chuhiya, More, Morni, Pati, Patni. Okay. Now we have seen the feminine and masculine words.